Imagination is a powerful tool that drives creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. It allows us to visualize new ideas, escape our reality, and envision possibilities beyond our current circumstances. Whether you're an artist, a writer, an entrepreneur, or simply looking to spark more creativity in daily life, nurturing your imagination can be transformative. You don't need to set aside daily hours to tap into this boundless resource. In just 10 minutes a day, you can unlock and enhance your imagination. Here's how. Daydream with purpose. Daydreaming often gets a bad reputation. However, studies suggest that allowing your mind to wander can boost creativity and help you generate novel ideas. The key to productive daydreaming is to direct your mind in a way that stimulates imaginative thinking. How to practice. Dedicate 10 minutes a day to purposeful daydreaming. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and let your thoughts flow freely. Imagine yourself in different scenarios. What would it be like to live on another planet? What if you could communicate with animals? Let these imaginative scenarios flow without judgment. You'll be surprised at how much your mind can conjure when it can wander freely. Science behind it. A study published in the journal Psychological Science revealed that people who engage in mind wandering often devise creative solutions to complex problems. Engage in mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual brainstorming technique that helps unlock imagination by drawing connections between ideas. It allows your brain to think non-linearly and encourages creative associations. We open up to new possibilities when we free ourselves from strict structures. How to practice. Take a blank piece of paper, write a central theme in the middle, and start branching out with related ideas. Don't censor yourself. If you're working on a project, use the topic as your starting point. But if you want to flex your imaginative muscles, start with something simple like future or magic. Why it works. According to Scientific American, mind mapping helps enhance the ability to generate creative solutions by allowing a free flow of ideas, simultaneously stimulating both the logical and creative sides of the brain. Practice visualization. Visualization is creating vivid mental images, which can lead to more extraordinary imagination and creativity. Athletes use visualization to prepare mentally for their performances, but it can also be an effective tool for boosting imagination in daily life. How to practice. Spend 10 minutes each day visualizing different scenes, scenarios, or experiences. Picture a place you've never been or imagine the perfect day from beginning to end. Close your eyes and try to engage all your senses in the visualization. What do you see, hear, smell, or feel? The science of visualization. Research has shown that visualization activates the same brain regions as real-life actions, allowing your brain to practice creativity in a meaningful way. Free-write for 10 minutes. Free-writing is an exercise in which you write non-stop for a set period of time without worrying about grammar, structure, or coherence. The purpose is to unleash your stream of consciousness, which often leads to unexpected and imaginative thoughts. How to practice. Set a timer for 10 minutes, grab a pen or open a document and write without stopping. The key is to keep writing, even if your writing seems nonsensical or repetitive. Let your thoughts spill out onto the page, no matter how random they seem. Benefits. Studies from the University of California at Santa Barbara show that free writing can increase creativity and problem-solving by encouraging an open flow of ideas. Practice lateral thinking. Lateral thinking is a method of solving problems indirectly and creatively. It forces you to challenge conventional assumptions and explore new ways of thinking. This technique is beneficial when you need more motivation. How to practice. Pick a random object or problem and challenge yourself to think of 10 different uses or solutions that are out of the ordinary. For instance, think of a paperclip. How many uses beyond holding paper can you imagine? Could it be a tool, an accessory, or part of a sculpture? Research insight. Edward de Bono coined the term lateral thinking, emphasizing how this method taps into unconventional brain pathways, helping individuals unlock creativity by breaking routine patterns. Immerse yourself in sensory exploration. Imagination often stems from sensory experiences. By tuning into your surroundings and noticing sensory details, you can expand your mind's ability to create vivid mental images and ideas. How to practice. For 10 minutes, focus on one of your senses. You could go for a walk and pay attention to every sound you hear, from birds chirping to leaves rustling. Or you could sit quietly and focus on what you can feel, the texture of your clothes, the temperature in the room, or the feeling of the ground beneath your feet. Enhancing your sensory awareness fuels your imagination with new sensory inputs. Research insight. Sensory experiences activate the same neural pathways as imagination, helping to stimulate creativity and mental imagery. Meditate for creativity. Meditation is a practice that involves calming the mind and focusing your attention. While it's often associated with relaxation and stress relief, meditation can also be a powerful tool for unlocking your imagination. By clearing your mind of clutter, you create space for new ideas to emerge. How to practice? Dedicate 10 minutes a day to mindfulness or guided meditation focused on creativity. Many apps or YouTube videos offer specific meditation practices designed to enhance imagination. Science behind it. A study from Frontiers in Psychology found that mindfulness meditation increases divergent thinking, which is crucial for creativity. Just a few minutes a day. Unlocking your imagination doesn't require hours of dedication or complex exercises. Integrating short, simple practices into your daily routine stimulates creativity, breaks mental blocks, and expands your thinking. Whether you daydream, free write, or practice visualization, these 10-minute exercises will help you harness the power of your imagination and apply it in meaningful ways to your life and work. Check the description for some helpful links and further reading.